Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn appreciation of the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Appreciation Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. First point, title. The title of the poem is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Second, poet. The poem is written by Robert Frost. Third, rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme for first stanza AA, BA. Second stanza BB, CB. Third stanza CC, DC. Fourth stanza DD, DD. Fourth point, favorite line. My favorite lines are: the woods are lonely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. Fifth point, theme or central idea. This poem is a description of little incident happening in a snowy evening. As the traveler, the poet is fascinated, impressed by the beautiful scene in the woods. He appreciates the beauty and wonder of nature. He wants to stop there to watch the beauty, but he can't. Sixth point, figures of speech. Alliteration, repetition, hyperbole, personification, metaphor, inversion, and onomatopoeia is used. Alliteration. First, the woods are lonely, dark and deep. The sound D is repeated. Second, he gives his harness bell a shake. The sound H is repeated. Repetition. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Hyperbole. To watch his woods fill up with snow. Snow falling in the woods is exaggerated. Next, personification. My little horse must think it queer. The horse has been given human quality of thinking. Second, to ask if there is some mistake. The horse has been given human quality of asking. Next, metaphor. Miles to go before I sleep. The word sleep is used for death. Next, inversion. Whose woods these are, I think I know. Correct word order should be I think I know whose woods these are. Onomatopoeia. The only sounds the sweep. Sweep is a sound. Seventh point, special features. It is a lyric of 4 regular stanzas, each consisting of 4 lines. The language is very simple, but it has deep meaning. Poet uses lots of symbolic words like miles for journey of life and sleep for death. Eighth point, why I like the poem. I like the poem because of its simplicity. It creates a beautiful picture of woods of a snowy evening in my mind.